Oh, you guys, it's time. I can't do it. I'm calling in for help. I asked my friend Yumi to please come and help me clean. She had given me this coupon as a fun idea during our baby sprinkle for Taylor. It was 2 hours of her cleaning service because she has her own little side hustle of a cleaning service. She loves it, it's her passion. And I can't do it these days, right? Because, you know, when you're trying to take care of kids and work and still cook, like basically all your meals, something is gonna fall through the cracks. She's napping right now, but she's gonna get up. And we're gonna be hosting for Christmas. It's just too much stress. Christmas is quickly counting down right now. I just realized that the flowers in the vase are dying. I didn't change the water. Like right now I can't even take care of plants. Like that's just my life right now. It's just so hard to, oh my gosh, that other plant's dying too. So sad. I need to give them water. But yeah, so that's how it is right now. And I just feel like I don't want it to be such a jumbled mess in time for Christmas. But yeah, she's gonna be coming over and helping us organize for about 2 hours. I need the most help in the basement. The basement is like a Rumpelstiltskin. It's exploded because we are in the process of moving things from Joe's former office, which is in this room over here, to the basement, and all the stuff in the basement up here. And then meanwhile, in order to do that, I had to pull everything out of the closets that were in the basement, rearrange, declutter, reorganize in bins, and that's why it looks like the way it does right now. I did, however, get a chance to clean this room up a little bit. This is the former office where Joe used to be, and it was like a frazzle-dazzled mess, but maybe it looks a little bit still messy because it's like an untraditional room. I don't think most of you guys have like a backstock room for kitchen props and filming, but that's what we do. But this is where Joe's desk used to be. The problem is that it looks out into our kitchen and it's open area. So there's no door to close. He could hear everything, be involved in everything. And whenever Lincoln was home, he'd be like coming over and interrupting either him or me because we would edit at Joe's desk because he's the main computer. This is what my racks look like now. It's still not perfect. I don't have the home edit type of bins or container store type of bins, but this is better than what it was. On this side, we have all of the little pieces that Taylor might be able to swallow when she gets older. So it's like Lincoln's new corner and all the art supplies like paint and markers and the messy things. Thankfully, Joe's home today. He's not in the office today, so he can chip away at his mess too. My goal is to get this all done before Christmas Eve so that Christmas Eve and Christmas Day doesn't feel like such a stress factor. So I only have today we only have today and tomorrow to really clean if I want to keep my goal. But I think with Yumi being here, it's just like another layer of accountability and just feeling like we can do it. Sometimes you need help, sometimes you need reinforcements, and it's like embarrassing asking a friend to come and like look at the state of your house in its worst state and in all its messiness. But I trust Yumi and she doesn't judge, and she's even bringing coffee. So I'll see how it goes. I don't really know what I'm gonna have Yumi do today. Probably a little bit of organizing. She said she'll clean our downstairs bathroom. Maybe she'll start tackling the kitchen a little bit. There's so much. I mean, there's just like really too much. Yeah, sometimes you can't do it all and you need help, and it's okay. And that's where community comes in. That's where friendships come in, or professional help. Sometimes you just need like a pair of fresh eyes to help you out, I think. All right, these flowers are really bothering me that they're dying in like this murky water. So I gotta go change that out. Hello? Hey, I'm filming, is that okay? I'm just like trying to take care of my dead plants. I don't have time for no plants now.
Here you go.
Hello?
Hey, universe.
You've been dying to say that.
Postmates is here.
Oh, thank you so much. You were so sweet.
And then look. Where'd it go?
What?
See?
Vlogmas? What? Vlogmas 2022, because she's so proud of me for doing
I am.
vlogging.
#1 fan right here.
You are awesome.
Next to Joel.
That's funny.
Oh, your slippers.
I know. I gotta give you slippers to go in the basement too.
Is Tay sleeping?
Yeah, but she's gonna get up. She's been stirring. Oh, this is for you.
Oh my goodness, what's that for?
It's a little Merry Christmas funny thing.
Little. It's cleaning stuff. Oh, I don't have this. I heard it's good.
I didn't try it yet. I have one too. Is it? I don't know, but I like that company.
I use this for my clients.
You do? Yeah, so I
Yeah,
figured it
for
could be
their
stuff for
fridge.
your house because your mom's moving in.
Oh my goodness.
Or we use all of those things. That's my favorite cooktop cleaner. Oh, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. I have their little gift over there.
Oh, see, why'd you get me a gift too?
Well, actually, it's just for the kids.
Oh, okay. You're giving me a gift of a clean house.
Girl, and this doesn't include the coupon, okay?
What are you talking about? I told the whole universe that I'm cashing in my coupon.
No. Separate. I'm gonna avoid it.
Oh. So I can still cash in my coupon? This is just a Merry Christmas gift? Thank you. You were
Can I show
extra
them real
sweet.
quick my socks?
Yes.
Okay, Universe. This is the biggest Walking Dead fan right here.
Oh my gosh. Wait.
This is G-Len, R.I.P.
Aww.
Yeah, he's the reason many people stopped watching.
Yeah, because he was like the one like Asian representative in like a big show in a long time.
Yeah, because there's no more.
There's no, yeah, no, really.
Okay, this is my stuff, guys. My Heart Your Home, I'm plugging it in even though I'm not taking clients right now.
I know, no, I said, that's what it's called, My Heart, Your Home.
Yeah.
For locals. She
I'm
can't
gonna get
take
a
new
shirt.
clients. She's already like booked and it's just her, so.
The season I'm in, I can't take anymore.
We just plugged in her cleaning,
the vlogger.
yeah. Look, did you see what was on the coffee cup?
No. Vlogmas 2022.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
She's so cute.
Universe.
All right, so this is my,
Okay, what do you need me to do?
well, okay, I stayed up till like 2 a.m. cleaning, honestly. I feel like priority right now, maybe like you said, the bathroom. Yeah, the bathroom.
Okay.
And then the basement, because let's look at the basement. I need your true reaction. So this is what we've been working on. Look, so this is mostly Joe's stuff right now.
Okay. Oh yeah, because he moved his office.
Yeah,
Right?
so it's over here
This
now.
is not bad.
It's not?
No.
Well, I stayed up till like 2 in the morning. I'm working on this bookshelf right now. I put away those bins. You know that picture that I sent you? I put away those bins already. Those black bins, I edited out. These are donation right here.
Okay.
If there's anything you need for church, you can dig through it.
Okay.
This I have to put back into the closets.
Okay.
Yeah, because I do toy rotation. Do you do that too?
Yeah.
And now I have Taylor stuff and people keep giving us stuff. Like, it's just exploding. So I feel like I need help. I don't know where to put all this stuff because the space you see is the space you see.
Yeah.
So like I don't really know like that whole rack is for Joe. He's trying to organize. So I took all my stuff off that
this
rack.
one.
Yeah.
This looks nice here though.
Yeah. He's still working on that. He just sold a pair of shoe yesterday. So
That's the best view.
yeah. So I have this shelf too that I originally put stuff up there too.
Okay.
But then I'm like, I don't know what bins to put up because with the trains and stuff, like I want him to still be able to access the tracks and the buildings and trains because he likes to do free play right here. But I don't know where to put it then where he can access it. You know what? Maybe I'll just donate this to the church, that big one. I thrifted it. This thing. I don't know if you need that. Oh yeah, because Yumi does.
Kids might like that.
Yeah, because Yumi does stuff for our church. Well, let me get my coffee. Do you want a Belgian waffle toasted?
Sure.
Okay. So these are the Belgian waffles I said are so good from Costco in our Costco haul, and I just pop them in the air fryer and it becomes so crispy and like yummy and warm, delicious.
No. Oh, is it taste testing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Since you never had it.
I know I'm very good at acting like it's me.
Don't act.
I know.
Don't. If it's not good, just be like it's all right.
No pressure.
But see, if
So
you
much pressure.
but if you don't put it in the air fryer, it doesn't taste like this. It tastes totally different.
Oh my goodness, that's so good! It's actually really good though.
Yeah?
But did you add anything to it?
No.
It's sweet.
Yeah, it's a Belgian waffle, so it's sweet naturally, and then it has like kind of like a muffiny, like cake texture, but it's also crispy, and it's like a little bit dense, right? Yeah.
They're nice. I'm gonna try those too. Let's try this first.
So Yumi's trying to help me with the soap scum. Yumi's trying to help me with the soap scum because I told her the way that our sink is designed, we have to get a new faucet basically. We haven't done any renovations. The way that our sink is designed, the water just like flows out, and then all the soap scum, every time anyone washes their hands, this is the main bathroom everyone will use when guests come over. It's so hard to get off.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till it dries to see.
It's clean for now.
This is the joy of my heart.
All right, I'm gonna go to the basement and start the basement.
Okay.
So my goal is to dig out this little space over here, which means I'm going to find a new home for half the stuff. I could either donate it to like Goodwill or Savers or also to our church, which has like a playroom. And then I want to try to make these racks more accessible and usable. So this should be like easy access stuff, like his tracks. It always looks worse. It was like starting to look better and now it got worse. But look at all these clear bins. These are all the bins that I emptied out by consolidating and donating. These were originally in our closets and now they're all empty and I can like repurpose them. It's funny how like Legos are so many different sizes. There's this size and there's the Duplo and then there are the real Legos. But I have a feeling Taylor will play with these. So I'm gonna put them in a bin in the closet. So I already went through these bins and consolidated to like baby books and baby toys that we can use eventually. But there's some things we can use immediately. Some of this kind of like softer toys, these puzzles like this thing.
Hey.
You like cleaning more than organizing?
Probably.
No, I think you liked seeing the outcome. Maybe, right?
Maybe. I mean, organization too, but no.
Something about it gives you joy.
How are you doing in the basement?
I'm making some progress. I think after talking to you, it's been helpful to like know what to do with that space in the corner. There's this big reveal. Oh, you still got to vacuum the rug.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So this was like painted, I guess?
Yes, I painted it. Mhm.
Oh, so then it got rusted.
Oh, so should I just not use that thing? I have acrylic.
I mean, it's up to you.
I have acrylic risers instead.
Oh, okay. I think that's why some of it came off, but not all of it came off, you know?
And I only put on risers because I feel like that thing keeps getting wet if I don't. I originally didn't have it on a riser.
Okay. I'll wipe it down. Here.
Look.
So I was like, oh, thanks, Joe. And then he's like, oh, it's okay, it's ours.
Wow. This looks.
The little trees up there.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
I
my
should do.
client has that candle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I did a thrifted home decor, like Christmas decor, like video.
Oh, from Monday?
Well, I don't know when I did. All this stuff is gonna come out after Christmas. I don't have time to edit. This looks great, amazing, so clean. It feels fresh for guests, and good choice on the changing the riser.
No, that's all you draw. That's all you.
No, it's because you said it rusted.
Because you had it.
Sparkling clean. Even the trash can, the toilet, everything is amazing.
That's the joys from thrifting, because you have like a bunch of little knickknacks, and then you realize, oh, I could use this for this.
Yep.
You know.
It's like I like to thrift practical stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Looks great. Looks great. Good job. Thank you so much.
Okay.
And then
This is
donation. And then this is trash. So Yumi's gonna help me try to weed out some of these VTEX. So these were all given to us as well. So I'm going to donate probably a couple of them to the church and then keep a couple of them. Maybe we'll keep the ATV then.
One of each color.
Okay. This looks like the home edit because they literally do this. They go through detail by detail.
Oh, really?
Like this, yeah.
So this is our section.
Ideally, I want him to be able to be self-sufficient in this area now. But I don't know. It might not work out that way. Okay, so this is the pile that we're going to give to the church. We do want to make a distinct line between his office and play.
Or even this could go here.
Like in the middle of the, not against the wall. So it kind of creates like a physical divide. That's not a bad idea. I'll run it by Joe. This table is so heavy though.
Oh, is it?
I mean, it's okay. We can move it, but it's just, it's so heavy. So like, I have to be sure. But yeah, because right now, no one's using it over here in the corner like that. This used to be my kitchen island when we were in the condo.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, it's really nice.
It was like our dining room table, kitchen island. I filmed off of that.
Yeah, 'cause sometimes when things are more cornered, you're not going to use it as much, you know?
That's a good way to think. You're home editing our home. That's exactly what they do. It's the interior design.
Call me.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I cannot take on anymore.
I know. Yeah. Don't call her. Don't call her. So if we could, we would utilize this space more, but we just ran out of money in terms of like building shelvings and like that kind of stuff. Our laundry room's our next project that's giving me stress because there's no shelving in there. Because of Yumi, we decided to do the switcheroo. Joe was kind of hesitant at first, but I think it turned out good, right? Putting it here. Yeah, I think I was like, we might as well do it. She's only here for a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna vacuum this area. And there's a red rug that we were about to throw away, that IKEA rug. We've had it in like our old apartment, but now I'm gonna use it over here and extend the play area. And so then this will be good to keep zones. Ding! Yep. So glad we didn't throw this away, actually.
Nice.
Yeah, you know, they say that when your walls are blue, that you need to add pops of red so that it's not depressing. And I noticed that even in Lincoln's room, because his room is blue, and I didn't want his room to be depressing, so I purposely added like some pops of red, and it looks like cheery. Yeah, so this actually like works. It didn't work over there. We had it over there before. It seemed misplaced, but here it's purposeful.
Oh wait, I gotta go that way, right?
Yeah.
Over the table, through the woods.
So we no longer need that spongy area thing, right? This thing, the tiles.
That could be for another zone.
Or where the
Maybe
slide
over
is?
there.
Oh, over there. Yeah.
Oh.
Flash.
It looks cute here, repurposed over here. I think this will make Lincoln actually come over here and get stuff off the shelf.
For moving thingies here.
So we could figure out where to put them.
Yeah, for now.
So Yumi's been saying, I'm going to put this here for now, for everything, because I was feeling overwhelmed. I didn't know where anything should go. So she's just putting stuff away for now in different areas, and I can figure it out between today and tomorrow. That's my cutoff time for cleaning this basement. But, you know, I feel like I can get a lot done in a day. Like, I got so much done in one day.
Yeah, you did good. You guys did great.
Joe's chipping away at his office, too.
For now.
Yeah, and I just wanted to show the progress before she leaves, because she's going to head out in like a couple minutes before the snow gets bad. Should we put that monster truck thing in front of the TV? Or is that a weird spot?
I think that's good.
So close.
This is why I wanted to get rid of the train table, because I felt like it's just another piece of furniture. But Joe's like, I think Taylor might play with it.
Put her here, you can put her here.
It's looking good. I think zoning it out makes it feel less crazy. And I just gotta weed through some of this stuff and donate more. Thank you
good.
so much.
Thank you.
You're awesome.
Much.
Thank you so much. You're the
Not that I
best.
could help.
Still working away and organizing and decluttering, but Lincoln came home and he automatically went to his little nook area and pulled out one of the bricks games. So Yumi, you were right. This was a success. Thank you so much. You're the
Not that I
best.
could help.
This is the best Christmas
You know, I was
present.
just thinking. I was saying, this might sound kind of silly. Oh.
Are we still recording or are we not recording? Do you want this private?
Oh, I mean, whichever. But I just feel checking your hair. I'm trying to have a